Mike and Kelly are playing at the park.
Let's have some juice,
says Mike. Mike drinks some juice. Kelly drinks some juice.
I want to have some jelly too,
says Kelly. Mike helps Kelly to get the jelly. He turns around to get the jelly out of the bag. When he turns back, the juice is gone. How did the doll drink the juice? Look, it was Kelly's dog. J. 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 Look at the word juice. Say juice. Juice. Children, let's say the letter J and the word juice. J. Juice. J. Juice. Children, let's learn one more word that begins with the letter J. Jelly. Say jelly. Jelly.